Start streaming. Okay, I think I'm live. Geez, I got a little bit stressed because I'm not doing this live day trading in the morning. So like doing the recap is like a little bit stressful in front of the camera, even though no one's looking. But anyway, here's the recap for today. And today was a slow day. It's Monday, first of March, and I wanted to take it easy. There was not much going on in the morning, so I actually feel that I still traded quite a lot considering the market. The stock screener didn't present a lot of opportunity. Maybe I wasn't focused enough either, or it wasn't just I didn't see much going on personally. But here's what I had. So I'll go because this is the main one, right? So I'll start with Amtx. This is the one I'm actually putting down in my trading journal, into my trading spreadsheet. I exclude GME because I won't be trading it live. So this is just to I don't know, practice for the future. It's extremely volatile, and the spreads are quite wild on it. So I'm not including it because I wouldn't be trading that in the live account. So Amtx, let's have a look at it quickly. As you can see, I took only 3,800 trades shares on it. I traded only that. So if I switch on the chart, my trading executions. So I'll just go back to earlier where I traded it. It was actually I was surprised how well I traded it. Let's see, it was right here. And I also should look at, let me just look at my notes. AMTX. I'm looking at the notes because I should have notes. Yes, it's 16.8 million, I think, the float on it. Okay, yeah, it is. And it traded quite well with my strategy when I would go just for a quick buy and sell at 10 cents. It was moving quite a lot. The spread maybe wasn't ideal on it either, but once I started trading it, I saw some profit, so I got more comfortable and I kept on going. So it had this wild move here. What was it? 10 o'clock, right? About 10 o'clock. I missed that breakout because I wasn't even looking. I was kind of spending time learning because I'm looking at other things. Just bear with me 1 second. I'm just gonna close the door so it's just not so noisy. I just want to keep it quiet for the recap. So I got more comfortable with it, and I was spending time just learning other strategies, and because I'm trying to improve my trading methods and just find new things that I can do maybe in the future. So I'll look into that as well. So if there's not much movement and in the market, then I spend time practicing other things or learning about or reading up about other aspects of the trading. Yeah, someone is trying to get in, but let's carry on. So yeah, these are my buys and sells, and I caught some bottoms here as well. I had lines drawn, but they gone now. So my support lines. So I was looking at those. I think I can't really see what would that be, but that's my view up. So on a bounce here, I just bought some and closed it for some profit. Then I tried when it was going lower a few times because it was a big flash. So I just bought some, sold some, and did it again here. So and then later in the day when I came back, I actually went away from the computer for quite a bit because there was, I think, not much going on. Yeah, I tried some, kind of lost some over here, bought, and then it flashed down a little bit lower, but lost only like I don't know, maybe a few dollars on this, and then I got $10 over here on the support line. actually bought it quite late because I missed that move again. So I was lucky that I managed to still close it for profit. My entry should have been about here, really. But yeah. So that's AMTX. So that's my profit, 147.76. I did have, like, mostly it was profitable. So 10, 10, 10, then 5, 10, right? So it was all good. And then one drop here, minus 16. I think that was my biggest loss, with one entry there. It was reasonably volatile as well. So it was easy to make those profit, but then the loss, it was easy to lose some money as well. But yeah, I traded quite well, as you can see. So 160, actually 167, I think here, the loss on it. Then Acor, right? I tried Acor and I gave up on it really quickly because the moves on it were, I mean, it was moving slowly. So I don't like to wait for my profits too long. I'm getting impatient, and the stock was moving quite slowly for me. It was only a few cents, as you can see. Like what did it move from 328? It didn't even, yeah, didn't go even to 4 at this point. Okay, yeah, so there wasn't much on it. So it's better to stay away rather than just make few cents here and there. So I gave up on it. Tried it twice, obviously 100 shares, then sold it. Another 100 shares, then sold it. That's 400 shares. So tried it twice, didn't work, gave up. So yeah, so that's all my profit. I'm just gonna go to GME quickly because it did move a little bit. And I must say, like, in demo, of course, but I I don't know whether it's so easy or maybe because it's because it's demo, but it's so, I most of the time I'm profitable. Even before it had a big move to 500 to $500. Where is that thing? What I want to go? I want to go to daily, right? Even before it made this crazy move to 500, I was trading it demo, of course, practice we're talking. In this area, I think, about, no, actually it was right here about, no, I was trading it right there. Okay, there was increased volume here. So, geez, this is so, like, hard to look at those stocks when the moves are this crazy, because you want to keep everything on a chart, but you really have to zoom in closely to see. So I traded it, I believe, in this range a little bit before it got too crazy. I think didn't trade this part, but this beginning I was quite good at it. I mean, good at it. I don't know what to say, but yeah, I was profitable in my demo. It was quite easy, so that worked pretty well. And whenever I see an opportunity, I jump on it, just to, yeah, just test the waters, right? Just to see how it trades, and maybe get used to trading a stock like this in the future. Once I built my trading account. Obviously, I wouldn't touch it these days. So yeah, let me have a look. How did it go? Yeah, I traded quite a bit. So 4,200 shares. I did take some losses on it, but you have to take them, especially on a stock like this, and be quick to do it. So it's a good practice of right of good habits, I would say. So yeah, just in this range, really. I had another, I marked it a bit differently earlier. It was like a range. I was waiting for the breakout, but because there wasn't like a great volume spike in here, I thought it might break and then flash down. Actually, my lines were lower, so it kind of broke my descending support resistance. And then I thought it's not going to go much higher. And as I thought, it flashed down. I'm not playing to the short side. I'm mostly trying to play to the long side. Lost quite a bit of money in the past. If you watch my other videos, bad experience with live trading into the short side. So I'm focusing at the moment on the long side. So yeah, I had a few stabs on it and just made some money. Lost some, made some. So if you look up, a little bit of AMTX, Oh, there's my I think that's the minus 460. So that was later in the day, and then 10, and then I stopped. So 45, 75. Yeah, you see? So it's easy to give it all back. So you see small gains, big losses. So yeah, it's really tricky with this one to maintain, you know, good. So I was taking selling 50 and then closing the rest. Yeah, just small stabs, but most of the time, yeah, I was able to kind of make some money in the demo on it in the past and now as well, it seems. So that's that. So when I look at my stats, just to do it quickly, because late in the evening and everyone is quite tired and the kids need some attention as well. So I've added that was, where is it? This is my chart, my stats. Um, so Monday, I'm glad I'm profitable because I'm usually losing money on Mondays. So early in the day, once I made most of the profits, I said, okay, I'm happy with that. And especially trading very small share overall when I compare to my previous days. So I consider it a good day, even if I don't have a big profit. But then there wasn't a lot of stress as well involved. Because I can get stressed and frustrated in demo as well, because I know it plays into my stats, and I wanna follow my rules, and sometimes I don't. So it's not that demo trading can't be stressful. Sometimes I get really very annoyed with myself, and sometimes it feels like I'm trading live, I guess. So yeah, recorded 160 gain, $116 gain after commissions, and commissions are quite low. Obviously, GME is excluded. So another green day on my into my stats. So I'm kind of poking above this difficult period when I had 4 days of losing, slowly moving up. Like the market SPY moved a lot today, and I'm surprised that um, there wasn't more, or at least I didn't notice more opportunities. But maybe tomorrow it will pick up. So 116. Happy. I mean, green day. I mean, getting closer to my live account. Really looking forward to that. But I was gonna mention something. There was like, because I'm looking at the swing trading, and there was this one. I think I have it here. Look at this, guys. I'm just gonna zoom in. Something to learn as well. This flag pattern, right? And that was in MORF. And it's a more expensive stock, of course, right? But this is 1 minute chart. And I've been learning about this swing trading strategy on a daily. And this one is exactly that. There was huge move earlier, right? Before this consolidation, right? So there was huge move, I think it was 120 something percent, maybe 200. And I have it here, 128% on it, pre-consolidation, right? And then you have this range when it's tightening, right? So this is support that I've drawn. This is resistance, and then it's perfect. Basically, I mean, as far as I know about those breakout trades. So a very tight range. The last candle here before the breakout started, I mean, it didn't cross the line, but you can see that it's violently starts moving up. So a very tight candle here, tight range. It bounces off the VWAP here, right? I mean, it bounced off the support, but then I don't know if you can see it. Right, and then the candle closes above that my view up, although it's not the perfect one. But anyway, it moves up, very tight range, which is apparently very crucial for the move like this, for the breakout like this. And volume increases greatly, right? But I think it starts about here. So this candle, this tiny candle, I think is this one. And then when the move starts up, this is a huge increase, huge increase. And then when it breaks, guys, come on, 170 say, or let's say 172, 3 to 86, like in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever, 5 minutes. And yeah, so That's where the big money is, I think. And my plan is, I think, to build my account, learn the I guess the hard way, you can say, trading the markets. I mean, I guess it's going to be quite stressful. I'm going to be building up slowly with this 10 cents at a time, those small moves. But hopefully, with time, I'll learn how to hold those winning trades a little bit longer. And then when I double my account or triple my account eventually, I hope, I'll kind of look for other opportunities, maybe with the higher price stocks. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, um, I'm quite positive with this one. I hope I'll have a good experience at the beginning, because that's going to be so tough. If I'm going to start off poorly and I'm going to lose some, it's going to be tough to get in again, right? Um, Especially after such a long practice. In demo, you feel that you know what you're doing, but then I think if I stick to my rules in life, I should be profitable. But we'll see. But it's easier said than done, right? When real money comes into play. So we'll see. I'm still kind of building my habits. Hopefully, and I'm gonna try to follow the rules once the account is open. I think towards the end of March, that should happen. And we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. I will make those videos because I think it's a nice to share the journey of the trader who actually didn't start going live. I've learned this strategy a little bit, practiced it in demo, so it's nice to kind of show how I practice, how I feel about those trades. And let's see if it works in live, because I think most of the traders start like that, or should start like that. Spend time in demo and then see what happens in live. I guess it ends up differently for everyone, but I'll be just one of those examples. Let's see which way it will go. That's it of my monologue here. It's almost 11 at night here in Poland, so I'm gonna end this now, and I'll see you again tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll be back at it tomorrow.